Hi everyone, so today I'm talking about our human hairs again. I've told us countless times that don't apply shea butter only on your hair or coconut oil. See the result from one of my clients. See how the hair is coming together. You even know, you can't even tell that this is a human hair at all. Because it's looking so frizzy and it's looking so funny. See the result from that it will cause to your hair damage. See another one. See the way the hair is looking. You will not even know. You can't even tell this human hair because it's looking like sponge. It makes your hair frizzy. Ori or coconut oil. Shea butter, I mean, or coconut oil. It makes your hair frizzy. See the way it's looking. See the third one too. Please, let's avoid using coconut oil or shea butter on our hair. It really damages our hair. It won't make our hair come out very nice the way we want it to be. Let's endeavor to always use hair serum. Hair serum, you can use any brand of hair serum. You can use Ludaos or argan oil. It works very fine for your human hair. And it's just a single drop is okay for your hair. You don't need to pack plenty just to make your hair shine. Just a single drop is okay for the hair. Please say no to shea butter. No to shea butter. No to coconut oil. Biko, please don't spoil your human hairs. Thank you.